Dear ladies, dear guests, dear friends, especially dear people with dementia from Dementia Working Group and their carers. We came to the end of this conference. Conference was, I am sure, very, very successful, fruitful, and especially the atmosphere at the conference was very, very good. So thank you very much to all the participants. This conference is also very good and big support for our work at Spominčica, a big support for our efforts to make a dementia-friendly society in Slovenia and towards our adaptation of the strategy. For the strategy, I hope that I will have very soon good news that the strategy will be adopted. We have the support from the Ministry of Health, which is very important. I have to tell you also that many medias were present at this conference. Many journalists from TV stations, journalists from newspapers and radio. So this, with the help with media, we also opened the space and we raised awareness about dementia in Slovenian society. So thank you to everybody. Especially, I have to say on the end, thank you very much to all our colleagues from the Alzheimer Europe, who worked also very hard for this conference. And I hope that you spent very nice time in Ljubljana, that you enjoyed the atmosphere of the town, and that you like it, and that you will come soon again. Thank you very much again. And before I finish, I have to say thank you very much to the people with dementia who danced yesterday, very nice, and it was very lovely evening. And this is one proof that really music makes nice and good atmosphere and helps to everybody, not only to the people with dementia. Thank you very much. Come again, and thank you for coming.